Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to talk about default parameters. So default parameters are the parameters which can only rewrite by the programmers. User have no control over the default parameters. So how can we use default parameter? For this, let's consider an example. Suppose I am going to create a function called info. This info function will take some information from the user. So like first name, last name and age. These three are the arguments of this function. So to have some default value for the case that if user did not give his any of information, so we can give the default value of these arguments. So the default value is none here for the first name and the last name and for the age. So these none is the default parameter, and then we can print. I am using string formatting to print the information. Suppose your first name is first name. Sorry, I have to use this parenthesis here now, and last name is last name and your age is age. So these three are the arguments which user will give. So now we can call the function. So info first name Umair, last name Tariq. Sorry, I have to use, for the string I have to use inverted commas here, and for the age is 20. So as you can see, if I run this program, your first name is Umair, your last name is Tariq and your age is 20. Suppose if I am not writing my age here, so instead of 20 none will appear. So this is the default, this is the benefit of default parameter. It shows that user did not give the full information. So that's why we use default parameters to identify that user entered full information or not. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.